Lying before me today is the mortal remains of a beloved father and husband. I knew little that morning that God is going to call you home. In life I love,
Should I read for you? Should I read for you? To read for you?
Lying before me today is the mortal remain of a beloved father and husband. I knew later that morning that God is going to call you home. In life, I love you, darling. In death, I do the same. It breaks my heart on my side. You were always so full of life. You seem to be immortal. Your smile, your love, I see in our children's smile. You are never really gone, as part of you is within them.
Tribute by children. We missed you, Dad. We loved us for who we were and accepted us for who we were striving to become. You all will continue to protect us. Thanks for being our dad. We will always love you and miss you. Rest well, Dad.
Tribute by siblings. Our hearts are filled with sorrow as we mourn you. Brother, finished the race and kept the faith. Henceforth, what awaits? Rest in peace in the bosom of the Lord till we meet.
On behalf of the good people of Turkey, and particularly the Hatay Sport Football Club, is the ambassador designate, I beg your pardon, of the Republic of Turkey to Ghana. Would you please make welcome Her Excellency? I don't have, please, okay.
Minor correction, I'm actually chargé d'affaires. Christian Atsu became a part of the Atakash Hatay Sport Football Club family on September 6, 2022, and ever since February 5, 2023, during the match between his team and Kasımpaşa. Before the game, he had told the management that he wanted to play and
May we all rise. Shall we please stand? While the casket is lifted, the police band and the choir will play Atu's favorite song, Meyawode Mira Yesu. fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters in the Lord, the service is over. I want to say a big thank you to the President, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, and all who have supported for this service to come to a successful end. Thank you very much.
Madame Dinah Samoa, we are all yours.
Wabubu memputra wa mama fami wedi fa wode ni kwason wa mama nya wo mimo fa wode ni anete bade swadrudu ye Wabubu memputra wa mama fami wedi fa wode ni anete wa mama nya wo mimo fa wode frenkwaso made swadrudu yi menyo bon samwa kwabio mayonya meneba Oh, Jesus. Wabubu me pochadi, wa mama fami wadi, fa wodi ni aniti, wa mama nyawo mi mo, fa wodi frequensom. Madrisu adrudu yi Binyobu samwa kwabia Mayo nya meneba Yeah. Oh Jesus. Oh. Adiaba Yesu Christ Adriano Adiaba Yesu Christ Adriano Mama ya nanya miasi Mama ya nanya miasi Mama ya nanya miasi Adiaba Yesu Christ Adriano Adiaba Yesu Christ Adriano Mama ya nanya miasi Mama ya nanya miasi Mama ya nanya miasi Mama ya nanya miasi Oh, my friend, yeah, minutes of fall, I am I no more. I said, no, so what you cancer, where we are me qua, you want to mano, I'll see for the best of people.